In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background image in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to open up your website or site, and then you want to go ahead and select where you actually want to add your background image. So for example, let's say I want to add a background image behind this container over here. You simply want to click on it, and then when you have this box selected here on the right, you should see styles. Now extend these styles menu over here, and then you want to go ahead and where it says fill, you want to click on that, and then you want to click on this button over here, which will open up the image, and then you want to choose the image you actually want to add as the background. So I'm going to click on here, and then if I scroll down, I'm going to find an image. There we go. For example, this one, I can just click on it, click on open, and it's going to upload in here. Now, of course, you can change the resolution, type, position, alt text, etc. I'm just going to leave it like it is over here. But of course, up here, you have a bunch of different options as well. You could do overflow, you can change border, shadows, you could go ahead and change the opacity as well in case it's like too prominent or not as prominent as you wish. And then over here, of course, you can just scroll down and you'll be able to see that you now have that as your background image. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.